I saw one of my friend in his house.
I came to my friend's house. I will call you later. Bye. Hi.
Hi.
Come.
Wait, I'm coming.
Hey,
Eh?
I want to ask you something for long.
What is it?
Always when going to market, you're always searching drumsticks only. Have you remember what is your age?
Oh, you also understood that secret.
What are you saying? I understand the
not like
secret.
that.
Shut your mouth and come.
Okay.
Hey,
Huh?
Malar never come outside of the house.
Yes.
Why she is going to this house?
I have no idea.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, Malar.
Hi, Bhavani. What a surprise. What are you doing here?
This is my brother friend's home. Come, Malar. He is my brother.
Hi.
Hi. She called me and I go there. But what I saw there was a real surprise for me. He kept a photo of mine.
Malar. His name is Mukil, my brother's friend.
Hi.
Hi.
She is Malar, my classmate. She is staying opposite of you.
Oh, please sit down. Do you want to eat something?
No, I don't need anything. I just saw Bhavani and came here. Otherwise, I will not come out.
What? Your home is your jail?
Not like that. I'm not used to it. That's why.
Hey, let's go to dam.
No, dear. You please go.
You have my number, right?
Yeah, I have.
Whatever help you need, you ask Mukil, okay?
Okay. Okay, bye. Bye, dear.
Hello.
Hello, Bhavani. It's Mala speaking.
Tell me, Malar.
I want to talk to you an important matter. How my photo came in Mugil's house. He came to there only 2 days ago. I haven't seen him anywhere in my life.
Why you have to see? Mukil already saw you.
I don't understand.
Don't take this wrong way. Because of you only he shifted his home.
What did you say?
Yes, dear. If I tell everything, it won't be interesting. You go and ask him. Mukil is a good person. I know him very well. Super character. That's all I can say. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Please come.
I think he's going to tell me something in his mind. What?
Mother, I'm loving you for 2 years. You don't know that. When you go to college, from long I'm watching you for every day. Okay, can we walk and speak? Now you completed your college. Because of you only, I'm rented my house in front of you. It's all for you only. I want to marry you and want to live happily forever. Mother, this is your photo. I took without your permission. It's wrong, I know, but taking photo of my future wife is not a mistake, right? That's why I want to see you. I want to express my love with you. No, I said, I'm waiting for your positive response. I'm leaving.
I don't know what to say, but I love his courage. After he proposed his love to me, I can't even sleep. I lost in his thoughts. He eagerly waited for me there. For what reply I will say. whether I want to approve his love. My mind is in a confused state of mind. That whole night I think about it. In his love, I got complete rest. I don't want to make him sad. Malar is for you.
Sit there, come. Have a drink, dude.
Yesterday I thought Malar is there, but Surya is there.
Hey. Hey, kill him!
Come on, bro, kill him! Come on! Come on, bro!
Kill him!
Come!
Come on,
Come on, kill him!
come, dude, kill him!
Come!
Kill him, dude!
Come, dude! Kill him, dude! Come fast! Kill him!
Hey, I think he is dead.
Hey, go and take the tape fastly.
Hey, fast, fast!
Make it fast,
Come on,
fast.
come on, fast! Make it fast!
Hey, make it fast.
Today your story finished.
Hey, careful, careful!
Careful.
Yeah.
Nobody else.
Is there
Nobody's covering.
No, right.
Cover him up. Cover
Everything
fast.
is fine. Hey, Mugil, let's park his bike on his company, okay? Okay, come
Fast,
fast.
fast.
Tomorrow morning they will burn the garbages.
Definitely they will burst.
Ah,
Surya will burn with garbage.
can we go and watch that?
Definitely we should see.
All right, come, let's go.
What did police say?
Surya borrowed so much of money. Because of that, they are thinking he ran away.
What did grandfather say?
Grandfather saying whatever Surya doing will be always right. If Surya have true love with you, Surya definitely will come. But you don't want to stay alone. You come and stay with me in my hometown. My parents want to see you eagerly. We can stay there for 2 days and we'll come back, okay?
I will surely come to meet your father and mother. Hey, Surya! What happened to you, Surya? Where were you all these days? I'm asking, right? You know how much I worried about you?
Leave me. Leave me.
What happened?
I had an accident. I don't know who saved me and admitted me in a hospital. I don't want you to see me in this condition. That's why I never informed it to you. Grandpa was taking care of me. Have it. Your favorite juice. Have it, mother.
Stop.
Vehicle has arrived. Take this also.
Lift.
Careful and slowly. Hey, stop. Be careful. Throw it. Slowly.
Try to find the character of this guy from the neighborhood.
Okay, sir. I will inquire.
All right.
Sister? What happened? Why police came to Mugil's house?
Hey, Malar. There is one good-looking guy in opposite home, right? Someone killed him last night.
What? He was killed?
Hey.
Call the ambulance. Quick.
Okay, sir.
Quicker. Make it fast.
After killing Mughil, Guna may be suicide. Otherwise, Mughil friends may be killed Guna.
Let the doctor's report come.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
see where this case leads us.
Okay, sir.